Good morning, fellow woodworkers, welcome back to another workshop vlog. I caught a terrible cold, this is why I'm not going to talk too much today, but I still have something to record, because today a so-called sliding table saw arrived here. I'm going to build it up, and yeah, this workshop vlog is probably going to take me quite a few hours. Oh, this code is so nasty, I can't talk properly. I can't even record videos for my main channel right now, but yeah, really excited for the sliding table saw, and I'm going to make a standalone video on the sliding table saw and why it's way better than any saw stop you can get out there, apart from the saw stop with the sliding attachment, but that's another thing. Yeah, standalone video later. And also the workshop changed quite a lot here. Let me show you around real quick. I've done quite a bit of cleaning up and it looks rather good at the moment, but still not done yet, obviously. So yeah, here's the workbench that I built up a few episodes ago. Also, I'm going to add T-tracks quite soon to this baby, such that we get a fence for nice parallel cuts. Other than that, here are the walnut slabs I have bought like a few days ago. And also I brought a lot of machines here. I made quite a lot of progress when it comes to organizing the shop. Here's my little table. I still have to clean this mess up over here. This was the, the packaging of my good old band saw here. But yeah, other than that, it already looks pretty fine, and I have a lot of space that I can use. Also, there's my Formatkreissäge. And I'm pretty satisfied with the looks at the moment. Can't wait to get further into polishing this bit up. And now we are going to go outside to the sliding table saw. Honestly, I have no idea how I should transport it to the inside. This part here is about 30 kilograms, it is still okay. But the other one is about 100 kilograms or something. I have no idea how to transport it on my own, but I'm definitely going to find some kind of solution. I'm pretty good at finding solutions to such problems. But yeah, I'm feeling pretty under the weather and pretty weak today, so I'm probably going to collapse after bringing everything in. Wish me the best of luck, please.
What the fuck? That is one of those shitty pellets which don't have support down here. This sucks. This sucks seriously. I need to get a full rotation done. Need to lean it next to the wall somehow.
That is so ridiculously stupid. I don't have the right hex key to open this up. And all the other stuff like hoses, etc. are in there. That is so annoying. What the hell? Why didn't they bring a hex key with the machine? That doesn't make any sense to me. Ah! Oh! This one actually fits. What have I done before? I'm so stupid. Ah! Goodness. It's all made from cast iron.
iron, custom iron. Woo. And a box. Beautiful, beautiful box. And now I believe this shouldn't weigh that much anymore. Because obviously there's not much left. Then the carcass and just the table saw in and of itself, the blade. So let's push it downwards and let's see. It's still pretty heavy, but not as heavy as before, so this is actually bearable. So this is gonna mark the approximate position. I'm dying of my table saw because the sled is going to be here, and I hope I'm not going to hit that pillar. If that's the case, I need to move it more to the right, I suppose. But for now, it's going to stay here. And now, a few hours of building and fine tuning, I suppose. There's a second saw blade here. That's curious. Let's go. I attached it the wrong way. I hate instruction manuals, they didn't say it properly. This part goes here. Oh my fucking god, no! Holy fuck. I'm so exhausted. I'm literally taking. That was terrible. What a terrible, terrible experience that was. Goodness gracious me. This time it's completely symmetric, I think. Hopefully. Oh, goodness. At least this one doesn't weigh a ton. Just like the other one. The other one was terrible. Don't fall over. I will adjust the ruler later. For now it just needs to stay in one place. Yeah, that's a job for future ends, I suppose. And this is exactly where I'm going to stop for today. I'm going to do one test cut though. Also, by the way, I removed the splitter here because, as usual with each and every saw you can buy table saw, the splitter was just way too high, so you can cut dados and the like. So I need to kind of take a part off. But yeah, here's the first test cut, and I hope you did enjoy me struggling like hell with this monster of a machine. That looks freaking amazing, seriously.
I think we've got a power problem. God damn it. I need to contact my electrician and I think, god damn it, I actually bought the one with the lower voltage and everything, so with not voltage, with the lower power, but damn, this thing seems to be way too mighty. Yeah, so that's a job for another day, but as mentioned before, I hope you did enjoy today's vlog, and up until next video I wish you guys a flammable day and I hope I'm feeling better soon. Ciao!